Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will show you how to manage and organize multiple wish lists on Amazon. So first, find something that you like and then simply click add to list. And now let's say you added it to the wrong one, then click on three dots, click on lists, click on grocery shopping, and now click here, click move, and now move it to the list that you want. For me it's wish list. And now let's check lists again. As you can see, our wish list has this PC now. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.